Have you seen those scary posts on social media warning you to never share personal data with AI chatbots like Gemini or ChatGPT? If you're using AI to build websites, write code, or grow your business, you have probably wondered what exactly is the risk they are referring to. What do these people know that I don't? Today, we are going to break down exactly what happens to your data when you talk to AI using the real-life case study of building a website. I'll explain it simply, like I'm talking to a 5-year-old child, and show you how to protect your big ideas. Let's rewind a bit. I started my journey way back in the year 2009 with Chap Entertainment, shooting videos for Kalenjin vernacular musicians. By 2012, I had jumped onto global freelance platform, then Freelance. I have built businesses like Trendline Network Limited. In 2021, I applied the 80-20 principle to pivot into AI-driven production with TechTube Video Studio Limited. I have seen technology change, but one thing remains the same: protecting your business matters. Think of free AI chatbot as a giant magical library. When you ask a question, you are speaking out loud in the middle of the library. Librarians, the AI companies, and their helpers, human reviewers, are listening to what people ask so that they can make the library smarter and better for everyone. So let's look at a case study. You are learning HTML and using Gemini Brain to build a website, including payment processing. To get the code right, you shared your bank account details and Swift codes with the AI so it could write a code to generate a custom invoice. Now, you are asking, what is the worst that can happen if human reviewers see this information? Here is the simple truth. Sharing bank account numbers and Swift codes used for receiving money is like putting up a signboard for your shop. It's public information for your customers. The worst that can happen is a human reviewer at Google sees the signboard. They can't access your money just with receiving detail. However, it is a dangerous habit. The truly risky data you should never share include your passwords, your personal ID numbers, secret clients data, or private API keys. Sharing this is like giving the public library the actual keys to your house. Another question most people ask is, what if you use the free AI to build a business that has a potential to thrive? Will the AI replicate your idea and sell it? The answer is no. The AI isn't an evil mastermind trying to steal your business. It doesn't have its own bank account or a desire to build a startup. But remember the public library? If you shout your brilliant, unique recipe out loud, the library learns it. In future, if someone else asks the AI for a good recipe, it might use pieces of yours. It won't actively sell your idea, but your unique concepts become part of its general knowledge. For reference, check Google's privacy notice that states that they use data from free services to train their models. That is why you have to be careful. So how do you fix this? This is why getting a paid Google Workspace for business or an enterprise AI plan is a game changer. To use their library example again, paying for Workspace is like renting a private soundproof room inside the library. The librarians promise in their official privacy policy that they will not listen to your conversation or use your private data to train their public AI models. Your business secrets stays yours, period. Now let's talk about AI detection and search engines. Why do articles written by AI struggle to rank on Google, or how do detection apps catch them? AI writes like a very polite, boring robot. It uses predictable patterns. Detection apps just look for those boring patterns. Furthermore, search engines like Google want to rank content that has real experience and expertise. If an AI writes an article, it doesn't know what it felt like to hustle on e-learns in 2012. It doesn't know about working late nights at Chap Entertainment Media. To pass AI detection and rank higher, you must inject your own human stories, your mistakes, your personal tone into the AI draft. Use the AI for the skeleton, but you must provide the soul. To wrap up, here are my top tips for using AI wisely to write your YouTube scripts and blog posts. Tip number 1. Never feed the AI your passwords or sensitive client data. Use placeholders like, for example, insert bank name here. Tip number 2. Use AI to brainstorm and outline, but write the real jokes and stories yourself. Tip number 3. If you're building a serious proprietary business, invest in secure paid tool like Google Workspace to lock down your data. I'll put a link to the privacy policy in the description area below so you can read it yourself. If this video helped you clear the confusion around AI, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below here. Also take time to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Let's get building smart, safe, and secure successful businesses together. See you in the next video. Take care.
Cheptiony, Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.